let's see what we got today. So let's see. Those icons aren't loading. Okay. I need to figure out. I'm migrating some of the snippet stuff over to a different library. Essentially, the clipboard history is managed, or it was managed, by polling the clipboard every 3 seconds to grab what was on that. And while that's not the ideal way to get stuff from the clipboard, there's no such thing as a clipboard event on the system level. So you don't know when the clipboard has changed. So the only way that I could think of and that Google said was to poll the clipboard at an interval. I'm working on a way to check the clipboard when you either hit Command C, so like watching your keyboard for Command C, or for a click, and then check the clipboard and see if it's changed. This will eliminate the need to pull it, but it's a decent sized refactor going from that one scenario to another. So right now I just have this IO observable. Again, this isn't like this. This is mostly just like writing down some ideas. This is not like final code at all. Because where this is used, and I check for clipboard text. Where's that checking for? I'm not even sure if I'm checking for Command C right now. Looks like key press, clipboard, read text. Yeah, right now this is just reading the clipboard on every key press, it looks like, which is definitely not what we want. Let me... So I guess I should make a separate... So I think I can get rid of key up. And I'm going to use this IO observable for the snippets as well, so they're both going through the same. So the checking for the clipboard and snippets are both going through the same events. For instance, like if you click the mouse, you know, to clear the, like a snippet is kind of like a buffer of characters, and once that buffer matches what someone has mapped a snippet to, then run the script. So these two ideas can kind of share the same, at least observable, same little bit of logic. So clipboard, I guess, filter, so event, type key press, if event and the string from car code. Why does that think it's a number? Oh, that's not a number. Set that to any for now. Why is it? Why don't you like, are these typed? Oh, I'm not returning anything. That's why. Okay, so if equals C, I don't think you'd ever like hit Command Shift C. Actually, we can just return this. Okay, let's just make sure that's working. And I have all right. So clipboard will only run, only check the clipboard if you hit Command C, I think. Well, there's also, it's meta key. It's these two. Type is key press and meta key or control key and key C. Yeah, let's try that out. It's so small. Let's see. Oh. All right, let's see if this is going to log. Okay, so Command C. That looks like there's some other logging in there. Let's see. Copy, paste. I need to get rid of that other logging, or else that's too confusing. There. Okay, that should clear it up. Okay, so where else is that logging? I'm gonna log that. Let's try that again. Oops. It should only be logging, if I got that logic right, only be logging when you hit Command C. But I didn't. Let's see. Control key, meta key are both false. Meta key true. Okay. Event.type key press. Event control key and control key or meta key. Okay, that must be logging somewhere else. I don't think. This is the only place I'm using the IO hook, though. Alright, so those are button clicks. Feel very silly right now. Being stuck on something that should be obvious. Okay, if I type any character except for C should oh, Command C, yeah. Okay, so right now, it's hard to do that with multiple windows. If I hit Command C, it'll show C, and that's what I want. Oh, that's what I didn't do. So I'm typing other characters. Whoops. And I guess command anything. What I didn't do here was so that should okay, so how did I get through if I'm filtering? Duh. Yep, there's the obvious thing. I only want, I was thinking key press. Well, not that I was thinking, because I want the mouse clicks to go through. So I'd return true, but type click. So yeah, I wanted the mouse clicks to go through, so I returned everything. So it was returning every key where the key press, or where it wasn't the control key down. There it is. This should sort it out. All right, so now if I just type regular characters, should I go through there? That's Command C, Command C, Command C. Okay, regular typing. Let's try Command F, nothing. Command A. All right. Cool. So now that's essentially what that's going to do is if that's Command C, go through and read the clipboard so that we can add it to our clipboard history. Also clicking should, let's see. So event type click might be mouse click. Let's see, mouse click. It's too far back in history. All right, so now it should be Command C and mouse click. I'm doing the mouse click because if you, from a context menu, if you right click and then click on copy, then it should check the clipboard too. I'm trying to think if anyone watching can think of another scenario where the clipboard would change other than Command C or clicking in a context menu. Well, to hedge on that, where you would want to add it to the clipboard history, then let me know. All right, so now clicks are coming through, Command C is coming through, and nothing else. Does right click come through? It looks like, yeah, right click. I guess I'd only need, oh, interesting. Looks like it can do a double click. So if I click really fast, it starts tracking how many clicks I did. If I click slowly, okay. So button 2 is a right click. I would never need to track right click, only left click. Well, can you right click on copy? You can. I don't think anyone ever would though. So we could do and button equals 1. Well, yeah, just trying to think if there's any like middle click scenarios. All right, we'll run with this for now. So if I select this line, Command C, now the memory log should be in my clipboard history. Let's see. Select Command C. Okay, it missed the first time. Why did it miss the first time? Copy. it's missing that one, and I copy this. Does that? Oh, it's like one behind. I may need to wait like a half a second for it to be added to the clipboard. What is that operator? It's like a delay or something. Oh, that's huge. Reference. Lazy mission items. So yeah, we'll like delay. Can't be long. Delay one. Let's do 250 milliseconds. I hate time-based things. But again, there's no other way of reading the clipboard other than polling it. There's no events. Wish there was. Okay, so clipboard history is empty. If I copy this, should now have filter boolean. Okay. If I copy this, as delay. If I select all, copy this. Okay, let me try copying that again. So that I have distinct until changed enabled. Why do I have skip one on there? I wonder if that's, let's see, why did I have that on there before? Oh, I think I had that on there before because the timer started, like when the app started, and I didn't want the very first emission. I'm gonna take that out. Let's see. You know, I can move that into a filter too, but whatever. There's no logic. Well, I guess we. Guess I would move that in front of reading the clipboard. Yeah, let's do that. Delay. Filter. Is that not? It returns something. I swear I could return a promise from that. Okay, so predicate value index value is any. Type. Oh, so I actually have to say value any. Value is any. Following argument type. Promise void. return false. How is promise boolean not assignable to value any? Maybe that has to some sort of operator that returns an observable or a promise. Switch can. I can actually move this. I don't need a second function. Does just adding async on this? Let's see. Practice filter async. Oh, that's true. Yeah, I'll just bring it back. I kind of like it there though. I guess I can grab concat map filter. I'm just gonna jump in and grab it's like one function. Oh, I guess it's actually a library. Okay. Filter by promise, parallel. Actually looks pretty nice. Let's go grab this. And filter by promise, filter by promise. All right, and we'll grab from this async something. There it is. Filter async. Takes a predicate, which looks like an observable. Let's do filter by promise. So that cleared that up. The reason I jumped through all those hoops was because when you have certain apps open, whether it's like 1Password, Keychain, LastPass, those sorts of things, I want to make sure that you don't look at the clipboard, so that passwords and stuff don't get added to clipboard history. Another one I think I'll add is like it's kind of impossible to know if it's a token, like a token or a key for whatever service you're using. But I think if, let's see, token standard length. There's like a regex for token. Something like this. Yeah. It's almost like if it's just a 20 character string without any spaces, then it's probably 20 characters or more without any spaces, then it's probably some sort of well, yeah, I can't imagine anything you'd want in the clipboard that's a lot of characters without any spaces. Maybe like if you're copying a minimized file, but why would you want that in the clipboard history? I'll keep on thinking about that one. Let's test this and make sure that library works. All right, so regular typing, Command C. Okay, so that's in the clipboard. Copy. Distinctly changed. Let me try this. Copy to see if map gets in the clipboard. Okay, cool. Now I need to add to the clipboard history. That way, when you open this up, this little area right here will show clipboard history. Let me see if I can. Where's that closable? I'm not too worried about those buttons, but like I'm switching to a different way of opening the prompt, so it's a panel, and that when you paste from ScriptKit, it'll paste directly to the app underneath it, rather than switching. There's a difference between an activated, so ScriptKit can be focused but not activated, allowing it to, when it's unfocused and it closes the window, and you paste text, it'll paste to the activated app, which could be VS Code or whatever underneath it. Otherwise, if you activate ScriptKit and you'd close it and it would paste, then it might switch back to like a different window of the same app, or um, it would reactivate the previous app rather than. And reactivating the app sometimes takes you to a different window. Like there's a whole bunch of focus window nonsense going on, which made it so I had to change some of that stuff. Let's go back to this. It looks like custom buttons on hover. Let me select this whole thing, copy. I've been thinking if there's like a better way to, like what sort of information I could display. I could display which app this was copied from now that I have that format. I think that's useful information. Huh. I kind of like that a lot. So event. So now we're not filtering, we're mapping and filtering. Well, I don't need to know. I think I could just switch map on that. So if I switch map here, I either return false or I return an object with frontmost app. Now I can filter the value, because if it's false, we don't want it, but we do want the app that it's copied from. So this will be app. Clipboard read text. Return app text. Filter value dot text. Why is that? App unknown text string. We'll go back and type this stuff later. I know I say that. Well, let's see. What does frontmost have types? Frontmost. Yeah, frontmost doesn't have types, so. All right, now Actually, let's just do that works for me. And then we should have an object with app and text on it. This used to be, yeah, I don't think I'm going to use the type. Do I have a clipboard item? All right. So text is a string, and app is, I know it has a bundle ID. Does it have a name? I can't remember what the type of that is. I wonder if I can go into frontmost. Oh, that's not installed in there. Node modules, frontmost. Source, node modules, frontmost app. Here. So it's that, which I can type app. I assume that's a string, 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 I assume that's Boolean, and I assume that is a number. I think that's a pretty safe bet. Let's call this a frontmost app. Let's say clipboard app, whatever. All right, now it's not liking. Okay, so and then either clipboard type it's complaining about now. It's not assignable type, partial observer, undefined. Weird. That's what's coming through, though. But as soon as I type this as a clipboard app, I guess I'd have to bring these up here. How do I type this? It's observable. Now, why do you not like filter Boolean? Okay, we'll go back to this and filter value oh, can this be wait, what's read text selection? One second, I need to look at that. Electron, clipboard, read text. Oh, Linux has a selection clipboard, okay. App is unknown. Wow, this thing really likes complaining. As much as I love TypeScript, it's these moments where I just want to return faults sometimes and not have to worry about constructing an object that, but I don't want clipboard app to be a union type of the actual thing and faults. Even though, I mean, that's technically what's going on. Maybe board app. Oops. Unknown. Does filter Boolean make it unknown? All right, I'm backing out of that. Yep, that just happened. All right, so once we get down to here, that's typed because we know we filtered out. We make sure it has text. And we make sure it's changed. And then this logic was written before. I think it might take maybe secret off. To consider filtering consecutive characters out of space. Well, I guess if you were to copy some regex or something, you'd want that in the clipboard for sure. All right, so clipboard item. Don't think we need anything other than the localized name. as well send it all. Okay, so the description is going to be the app localized name with the text and the timestamp. Yeah, maybe that's all we need. Let's try that. Now, if this works, in the clipboard history, it should show which app you copied from. Okay, so there's nothing there, but if I copy this, it shows that I copied from code. If I copy this, it shows I copied from iTerm. This one shows iTerm as well. What did I do there? Copy code, iTerm. Code, iTerm. This one was from code though. Copy iTerm. It's setting the previous one's app. What happens if I copy from here? Just out of curiosity. Whoops. Yeah, iTerm is still focused. It's setting the previous one. Let's see. So this should copy from Chrome. Let's see if that shows up. So Google Chrome, iTerm. Let's copy this. Google Chrome, iTerm. You know, it's one of those things where I could check to see if Chrome is open, check which URL you copied from. I don't know how valuable that information is as far as like clipboard history goes. If someone would want to know like how much they want to know about where they copied text from. It's an interesting challenge. I think I'll like add that to like maybe a clipboard history, show which tab URL you copied. Yeah, it's interesting with the way that ScriptKit behaves now. If you copy from ScriptKit, then since it's not activated, it's not technically the frontmost app. So I guess I could check to see if ScriptKit is open. If ScriptKit is open and focused. But how often would you copy from ScriptKit? How important is that? Yeah, I might as well put that in there. Let's do grab this, we'll call this app name. We'll say this is focused exposed. is focused. It is exposed. Okay, so it is focused. Come on, find that import. Or I will manually is focused. So that's the function. Okay. All right, so copy from Google Chrome, the clipboard module. Now I'm going to copy from ScriptKit. Okay, ScriptKit, Google Chrome. Now I'm going to copy from the terminal. Okay, so why is that? Previous one. There's something async going on that I'm missing. Okay, so I'm going to copy from Chrome the word clipboard. That is here, clipboard. I'm going to copy from iTerm the word address. Okay, so when I click, app name comes through twice. Oh, because I'm double clicking. Why is that? Oh, that's why. Distinct until changed now because it's returning this object. It used to just be the text, and now it's an object. So it's comparing to objects instead of just the text. Can this take compare X, Y? A, B. Something like that. I'm pretty sure that's how that would work. I've honestly never used it that way, but I think you can just put a comparator in there. Okay, I'm going to copy kit from iTerm. I'm going to copy main from iTerm. I'm going to copy clipboard from Chrome, item. I'm going to copy sheet from ScriptKit. Sheet, clipboard, main kit. Okay. I'm going to copy predicate. Oops. Data from Chrome. That's looking good. And I can search by where it's copied from. Is there any scenario that I'm not thinking of? This covers most of it. Projects to check for secret. Find a secret word. Secret candidates. I'm trying to see if there's a way to detect, like if you were to copy, if your clipboard had a token or a secret from wherever that you copied. I'm not sure. I'll make it easy to delete. If you see it in your clipboard history, to delete it. I just wish there was a way to mask it if it somehow detected one. Like if you're streaming and you bring up your clipboard history sort of thing. I love that they wrote a blog post about this. I'm probably the only person ever to read this blog post. Test our algorithm. I'm definitely not making an API call. Yeah, I can't write individual ones for everything. No. Scan get repos for secrets. Oh, okay, let's see if they have. Wow, that's tiny text. All right, curious. Curious how big of a project this would be to add. Yeah. I think I'll just have to live with that for right now. I think that looks pretty good though. I'm gonna switch on over to getting the snippets working again. So the snippet here is hooked up to that same IO stream. I don't need to export that. And we're checking to see. Don't think we need to do that anymore, because we're only doing key presses. So if it's not key press, or there's not, let's say if type equals a mouse click. Because the stream this is hooked into is only doing mouse click and key press now. So if you click the mouse, clear the snippet. Now let's grab the key from the key car. Is typing. I need to check with JS detect Unicode string. Because I think surprisingly, maybe not to you, but to me, these two have the same length, because this turns into a Unicode character. So I need to find a different way. String from car code. Yeah. Oh, maybe that. to string. Trim. Nope. What is a so backspace, that's what I thought. How do I detect? Is there other data on the key press? Let me check on that. Because that's not working. And we'll log info event. And is there something else when I hit backspace that I could filter on or clear the snippet? False. Key code 0. It's also key code, raw code 51. I'm just gonna have to detect specific key car. List of key cards. Where do the letters start? Less than 47? That might make sense. Because all of those would clear a snippet. Or greater than 90. Less than 48 and greater than 90. No, we want these. I'll try less than 48, see how that works. For key car, it's less than 48. Let's try this. Okay, so AB, AR, ST, delete, clears it. Good. Okay, so can I type? Okay, so that is car 119. It's not doing exclamation points. Does it do any of these? At 64. Oh, that's, do I still have some sort of shift key thing? Is shift down? Hmm. Key. Whoops. What did I do? So exclamation point. Is keycard 33? Oh. It says that was page up. Okay. Keycard 27 is escape. 33. 33, 64, 35, 36, 37. Weird. Why is it at 64? 33, 64. Escape is 27. Shift. Tab is 9. So we can do less than 33 maybe. What are the arrow keys? Arrow keys are 30. So up, 30, down, left, right. Okay, we'll do less than 33. See how that plays out. Okay, so something, delete, something, then tab should clear it. Good, and capitals. So that script ran. That script ran. Cool. I think this is working. Escape clears it. It's getting all of the characters now. Sweet. Comma. Just kind of going through and typing random characters. I'm not gonna worry about like number pad and stuff. It's kind of fun to watch it grow. And then a simple backspace should clear it all. Cool. All right, I think that's set. Got that clipboard taken care of. Is there anything else that'd be like a quick win? I don't think there's not a lot of quick wins anymore. That was done a while ago. That's done. There's a. I don't want to do that one right now. I'll work on the examples off stream. This is a definite maybe. That one's done. Oh, that's interesting, but not right now. I'm gonna move this to up next. I think that one might be fixed. I'm gonna have to test this one. Test in prog. Oops. Should I worry about that one? I'm not sure. Yeah, I guess. I need to check that one. Examples for that's fixed. That's something else. I'm gonna toss this under maybe. Would allow to pull Finder's image icons. Preview. That one will be interesting because Finder already has like a icon cache. Like as you're browsing through Finder and you're looking at images, there's a way of just querying for those in SQLite, but it gets kind of tricky because some of the numbers are random. So it's something I want to look into, but not right now. Delete clipboard history, refresh clipboard history, something like that. clear duplicates. I don't know what does it. Like copy, copy, copy. Yeah, I fixed the duplicate thing. Pulling this down to maybe. It would be possible to use args inputs for color pickers, date pickers, drop-down boxes, like those sorts of things, but I haven't really thought about it too much. There are definitely some scenarios where you'd want to use a date picker, but I don't know if I'd want to use the like native Chrome one. Oh yeah, there's another, let me check something out off screen real quick. This is something I might bring into ScriptKit. I have an emoji picker that's really basic, and I'm not sure how their filter is. Yeah. Let me bring that in. Better emoji picker. Sticky search. Interesting. Okay. Yeah, I mean, this is just so far and away better than what I currently have. I don't think it keeps a history if you like select one and use it. I mean, the one I have just works like this. Fairly straightforward. Wonder what else they've shared. All right. This isn't that important, and I'll fix it anyway. I think I can do all that this week. Well, let's not try and do that one this week. Oh yeah, that's the one I really wanted to work on. So copy, paste an image. Into ScriptKit. converts image to, it's not down there yet. Let's say converts image to tempter and paste a link instead. These will all be for maybe oops, I need these up here. I need to test that one too. Toss that under maybe. I wonder, customizing the editor, just essentially just like you just send a JSON object to the app with what you want to change. Like I'm trying to keep the mindset of not having configuration objects and instead having scripts you can run that send data to the app. This makes it much easier to like avoid creating those objects on startup and like managing those objects when those preferences change. Yeah, I might need to. Oh, that one's done. I think that one's done too. Actually, we should probably test that. All right. Yeah, I'm organized for the week. I'm gonna go grab some lunch. Thanks for hanging out and have an awesome day.